एक्सक्यूज मी, हाय, आपका क्लास हो गया? आप गुस्सा नहीं करोगे if I say something? I love you. Hi, I have to go to Ramjas. Do you know the way?
It's straight
Okay.
and then you take left.
You're actually very good with directions. So, do you also know the way towards your heart?
Towards my heart.
Because I love you
Okay.
a lot.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So, you are well experienced. Okay, could you tell me if somebody is in love with someone, how do they express?
I
Do not know.
yeah.
So you're very confused. I'll give you an idea. They express like, I love you.
Yeah. That means
मुझे आपसे मोहब्बत है.
yeah.
मुझे आपसे मोहब्बत है.
हाँ ऐसे express करते हैं.
अरे listen no, listen.
हाँ, express.
अच्छा listen to listen.
Yeah. It's
Yeah, so fuck it. I don't care about the shot. I love you. I said I love you to her. She said bye. Why are you laughing, man? It's my misery. Hello. Hi. Wait.
Sorry, I was outside now.
But I love you.
छन से जो टूटे कोई सपना जग सुना सुना लग
I said hello. Yeah, I was talking to you. Hi. Is it awkward? बहुत awkward लग रहा है. Okay, cool. Then I love you. Hi. Hey, is your class over? Is your class over? You wanna go on a date because I am in love. I'm in really love with you.
Wow, love at first sight.
I've seen you like a couple of more times. I'm like goddamn stalker.
Okay, just tell me my name.
Yeah, but I've stalked.
You have stalked me, not tell me my name. Tell my course.
You are doing.
Tell my course. Tell my course.
You're doing law because.
The first guess was right. Do you know that? I'm doing history.
No.
What's my name? I'm okay. ठीक है, my ear. Okay, ठीक है.
Okay,
Just
क्या?
tell me where do I live?
You live in Delhi.
आधी पुसी सच्चा पुसी कैट ओ पुसी उल्लू दा बट्टा
मुझे आपसे मोहब्बत हो गया है. No? Why? Wow, so many reasons. First of all, you're very sweet. That you said hi back.
Just tell me the radius. Like I'm going to take like कहाँ यहाँ से कितनी दूर? Campus के अंदर, campus के बाहर कितनी दूर? Like PG घर, flat कुछ भी. Okay, like I'll give you 4 examples. ठीक है?
Got it. Go on.
वजीराबाद. ठीक है?
Okay.
Then द्वारका.
Mm-hmm.
Yamuna Vihar, Dimapur. You have 4 guesses. Come on.
Yamuna Vihar.
That's the wrong guess. Dimapur. And Dimapur ये रहा. You are so bad stalker that I'm so disappointed.
I need to take notes from you.
Please.
So can we just go on a date and?
जो मेरी मंजिलों को जाती है
So I am in love with you. What about you? You're not in. We need time to.
I think
Yes.
I think you are right to fall in love.
That's great. That's so. Tell me something about yourself. What do you do?
I'm being be honest.
Oh, would you do me? Oh no! Listen. I love you. I love you.
Hell?
I did not abuse. I said I love you. मुझे आपसे प्यार हो गया है. Wow, you're surprised. Can't I be in love?
No, actually, you can't be in love. It's just seeing it for the first time. Okay, that's all. Actually,
Don't you watch like Hindi movies where people like fall in love for the first time? देख के.
the movies, okay, bro. Come on.
So we can start the love journey. Okay, I know.
It's weird. Okay.
It's weird to fall in love.
fall in love with somebody else now.
But I do love you a lot. More than myself. Do not be alarmed, I just wanted to say something. You have beautiful eyes and I am in love with you and can we do something about it? You're welcome. इतने टाइम से प्रपोज करने का कोशिश कर रहा था, चली गई फिर से।
प्रपोज करना था?
अरे हाँ यार, उसका आई लव यू बोला भाग गई।
समझ गई होगी आई लव।
एक्सक्यूज मी, मैं एक बात बोलूँ, आप गुस्सा नहीं करोगे? इफ आई कुड से, इज इट अलाउड? आपसे बेहद मोहब्बत हो गया है। प्रैंक चल रहा, अच्छा ओ प्यार हो नहीं सकता मेरे को? Hello everyone, thank you for watching my video. Please like, subscribe and share कर देना. And also follow me on Instagram for all the updates and live sessions. And I will see you guys next week. Bye.